Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign in to your Linktree account. Now let us begin. Well, do you know that I have already gone to linktr.ee and this right here is the interface. Now let's simply look at how to log in. At the top right, you can see these two buttons, namely login and sign up for free. In case you want to sign up, click on the rightmost button, else hit on login. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page. Do you know that you can log in using your email address or username or Google, your Apple ID or simply your phone number. Select whatever you wish. For now, I'm just gonna enter my credentials right here. As you can see, I have entered it. Now I'm just gonna hit on login. This is it guys. As you can see, I have been logged into my Linktree account. That's the gist of it guys. This is how we log in or sign up to Linktree. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.